This video will demonstrate how to convert the background of an image to transparent, then crop image to the visible content, and also optionally rescale for precise sizing. Import into StarCraft Create digital cutting software. Using Gimp, a free image manipulation application. Results will depend entirely on the quality of image you're working with. Images with a defined high contrast transition between foreground and background work best. Opening the image in Gimp. Click File, then Open. Browse to and choose the image file. Click Open. First step is to add a transparency layer. Click Layer. Click Transparency, then add Alpha Channel. If the option is grayed out, this means that a transparency layer is already in place. If the image already has a transparent background, you can skip forward to cropping the image. Choose the Fuzzy Select tool. This tool allows you to create a selection of pixels that are all similar to the sample selected. Again, this works well on images where there is high contrast between the foreground and the background. Make sure you have anti-aliasing, select transparent areas, and draw mask enabled. The draw mask setting will generate a colored overlay to help show the area you're selecting. Left-click and hold over the area of the image you would like to delete. The colored mask will indicate the area you are selecting. Click and drag downward to increase the threshold and upward to reduce the threshold. Once you're happy with your selection, release the left mouse button and press Delete on your keyboard to delete that area. You may need to repeat this several times depending on the type of background. Also, if the image contains areas of background enclosed within the image, like this area near the hat, you may have to select and delete these too if you wish to have shortcuts a lot. Generate a cut line here. Now to crop the image down to the visible content. Click Image, Crop to Content. The edges of the background should now be closely aligned to the visible content of the image. This completes the process. This next step is optional. If you wish to scale the image for precise size, import into Shortcuts a lot. Click Image, then Scale Image. Set the units to your choice. Ensure the proportional lock is locked. To ensure the image aspect ratio is maintained, set either the width or height as you wish. Click Scale. This completes the process. Export the image as PNG file. Click File, then Export As. Choose a location to save the file. Enter a file name. Click Export. Leave these settings as the defaults. You can now close Gimp or close the project. Gimp will ask you if you want to save the project in its native format, a .xcf file. If you have no plans to return to the project, choose Discard Changes. Now you can import the PNG file to Shortcuts a lot. As you can see, the dimensions set are accurate. This video was intended to show the basic concept of using Gimp to edit image backgrounds. There are several other methods of selecting backgrounds, some that may be more suitable to the image you are working with. A link to a video showing 5 ways is in the notes below.